Hey y'all, IRIX guy here. Now I want to talk about Mac OS X Yosemite. Yosemite is the latest and greatest operating system from Apple. And why might one want to upgrade? Well, obviously it's free. If you've got a Mac, it's a free software update. But beyond being free, why would one want to upgrade? Personally, I'm upgrading for a lot of reasons. Now, one of the things that I really like about it is how Apple is more closely integrating all of their devices. So you may have an iPad, you may have an iPhone, you may have an iMac, you may have a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, whatever, Mac Pro, all of these computers, and you may want to have a centralized storage location. Well, that's the iCloud. Now, Yosemite better embraces iCloud, and not only that, it also ushered in Apple unveiling upgraded storage plans. So they're enabling people to choose how much storage space they want in the cloud, the internet, iCloud, and they're able to embrace that new technology at a seemingly affordable price. Now, what really fascinates me about it is that since I do use multiple Apple devices, iPhone 6 Plus, MacBook Air, iMac, since I use all of those, it's nice to have shared documents, emails, etc. all in one location. And there's a lot of cool features too, and I'm not going to go into all the features of Yosemite. This video is just talking about why I upgraded day one. But some of the cool features are that you can have your iPhone in your pocket, you're taking a call, maybe you sit down at your iMac desktop, or maybe you sit down at your MacBook Air. You're able to transition that call to that computer versus your phone, but it's still using your phone. You got to have your phone in proximity. But that's a nice feature. Also, the starting an email on a mobile device, finishing it up on a desktop or laptop Mac, that's nice. There's a lot of stuff here, there, and everywhere. And then ultimately, the gist of Yosemite is that they're taking everything. They're working to more closely mate iOS, which is Apple's mobile operating system on iPad, iPhone, iPod, with the desktop operating system Mac OS X, which is they're trying to make the two play better together. So if you're using a desktop computer or a mobile device, the experience is more similar. And as we all know, being computer people, when things can be more consistent, consistency is key, and consistency improves the user experience. So for that reason, I'm updating to Mac OS X Yosemite on day one. Can't wait to have it installed. I'm also upgrading to the iMac with Retina 5K display. So I'm stoked about that. And that should come preloaded with Mac OS X Yosemite. But I'm upgrading my existing iMac and my MacBook Air to Yosemite. And my existing iMac, after I upgrade it, then that way when I migrate to the new physical computer, the iMac with Retina display 5K, everything will already be updated on the old computer to Yosemite to make the migration process even more streamlined. And the other thing is I use external storage, so I've got 24 terabytes of concatenated disk that house all my videos and photos for youtube.com/IRIXguy. So it's really just a simple unplug and replug, load the Final Cut Pro software, migrate my email over, boom, pretty much done. Super stoked. And are you going to upgrade to Yosemite? If so, tell me why. If not, tell me why you're not. And appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, share with others. youtube.com/IRIXguy. And y'all have a good day.